Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a haul video, and it's actually a Lush haul, which I haven't done one in so long. I have to tell you guys, so Lush actually sent me this package. It's full of some other new holiday goodies, and I got this email like a couple weeks ago, and I was literally almost in tears. I just couldn't believe that like Lush wanted to put me on their PR list. It's so surreal. I actually started my channel back in 2011, and if you look, my oldest video is actually a Lush haul with my best friend, and that's kind of how I got started, is Lush, Bath & Body Works, and then I did some makeup stuff too. It's just crazy to me that now they wanted to send me a package, and I can't. I'm gonna cry, but it's so cool. I love Lush so much. If you guys don't know about Lush, which I'm sure you do, they have quite a few stores in different malls. They have a store in Iowa as well, which is really cool, but they sell bath bombs, bubble bars, they have skincare, shower gels, hair stuff, a lot of different beauty stuff, and they used to have makeup too. I think they still do, but it's one of my favorite places. They have so many cool things in their bath bombs and bubble bars. I stock up on every year. So yeah, they wanted to send me some of their Christmas line, and I'm so excited to show you guys what they have. It's kind of like a preview because this stuff is online, but it's not in stores yet. This says, ho ho, hold up. Did Santa just arrive early? And it has a list of their products in here. It says our Christmas collection launches online on October 15th. So it is online now. I'll have the link if you guys want to go check it out. And in stores on November 1st. And Lush is all about ethical. They are very much about no waste. So I love that about them. Let's get into these goodies because this box smells so good. Lush Christmas stuff is always my favorite. I used to love, let's see, I'll have to check their website and see all the new stuff they have and if they have any repeats, but Candy Mountain Bubble Bar is always my favorite. I hope they still have it. But yeah, their holiday stuff is always when I go crazy. I have a couple favorites from their normal line too, like the Twilight Bath Bomb, and I really love the Comforter Bubble Bar. Those are like my tried and true faves, but they have some new stuff in this collection here. So first up is this, and this is so cute. It's a little Santa, and it smells amazing. This is what it looks like. This is the Santa Bath Bomb. I think it's in 2 parts. Yeah, it's in 2 parts. I'll show you guys. But it says, seeing double, this fizzy sweet scented Santa delivers 2 times the bath time fun. So you get 2 in 1 with this guy. So here's the bottom half. You have to be careful when you order these online just because they are very fragile. Okay, so this is how it goes, I think. So yeah, it's a little 2-piece. Ah, so cute. What's really cool with these, you can totally break them up into different pieces if you don't want to use the whole thing, or if you're feeling really bougie, use the whole thing. But you can just break these up and split them into your baths to make them last longer. So yes, definitely recommend that one if you guys like sweet scents. That one was really good. We also have this, which is called the Cinnamon Orange Bath Melt. Oh my gosh, this literally melts into your hands, and it smells literally like Christmas time. This one says, sink into hydrating cocoa butter waters with a nostalgic blend of cinnamon, clove, and orange. With this bath oil, it says you could break off a piece and drop into the tub, or run it under the tap and let it fill your bath with natural oils and butters to soften and moisturize the skin. That smells so good. It kind of almost smells like a cider to me. It's very good and very like nice and spicy. It kind of reminds me of like just like perfect for fall and winter. I'm very excited to try that because especially in the wintertime when your skin is so dry, I feel like this is going to feel amazing. Let's see what this is. It says Snow Fairy Crystal Ball Amaze Ball Bath Bomb. I love Snow Fairy. This smells so good. Look how cute. This thing is humongous. I'm impressed that stayed intact. Okay, so it says sprinkle something mystical into your bath or use the whole thing for an indulgently... Oopsie. So apparently the little top comes off. Look. Okay, we'll stick that back in there. I was not expecting that. Anyways, back to what I was saying. You could use the whole thing for an indulgently sweet soak, but like I said, I would rather just split it up because that is like, it's a little much for your bathtub unless you have like a giant like jacuzzi tub. I like to do that like on vacation. If you ever get the big jacuzzi tubs, like go to Lush and buy one of these. This one smells so good, very sweet, like candy. If you guys like the Snow Fairy scent, you will like that a lot. I love that they send me all the sweet stuff. It's like they knew. That is my jam. Okay, next we have this. This is the Santa's Belly Shower Jelly. I have not used a shower jelly in forever. This says, wobble your way to Christmas cleanliness with fresh apple juice and spicy star anise infusion. And with the shower jellies, it says that you wet this jelly and lather up. So basically, kind of like a jelly form of a shower gel. You'll just wet it and it will just like suds up under your shower. Ooh, that smells good. It reminds me of like Country Apple from Bath and Body Works. But this is, it kind of looks crazy right now. But, I mean, it doesn't have to look pretty. You're just going to use it in the shower, but these are so fun. We also have a lip scrub. They have really good lip scrubs that you can eat as well. They're the Sugar Plum Fairy Lip Scrub. I feel like Lush was like one of the first ones to do like a yummy, sugary scrub. So this says, indulge in a magical blend of scrubby castor oil and softening jojoba oil and a fruity blackcurrant flavor. Let's see. Oh, this is the Comforter scent. That is my favorite scent from Lush. So I'm gonna love this. And it's like bright purple too. Oh, this is what I'm like real excited for. This is called Cookie Dough Shower Scrub. This one says, scrub up nice with a hydrating blend of almond and hazelnut oils, plus buffing bits of salt and sugar. So excited. It's definitely kind of like a cookie dough scent, and the texture of it totally looks like cookie dough. That is so cool. It smells like so good though. Almond and hazelnut is my jam, so I'm all about this. I feel like this is going to be really nice and a nice moisturizing scrub. I use scrubs like once a week when I do my showers, so this will be amazing. I feel like I can make this last as long as I can because this smells so good. By the way, some of their products do have the expiration dates on them, which is really helpful. So this one says that it was manufactured on October 8th of this year, and then it expires December 7th of 2020. So definitely is amazing. You know when it's going to expire, but this I'm definitely going to use up within like a month probably. Maybe not. Smells so good. We also got this, which is a classic Lush scent for holidays. The Snow Fairy Shower Gel. This is literally just smells like candy, and it's bright pink. I love that. Their shower gels are also one of my favorites. I prefer the shower gels over the soaps. They have so many good scents. This says, invite a little magic into your shower with this sweet and sparkly candy scented sudser, which, yeah, it does have sparkles. If you guys could see, like when you think of a fairy, this is literally what I think of. So cute, and I love the little baby size, and that one has the expiration on it as well. So that's everything in this Lush haul for Christmas. They have a ton more stuff as well on their website if you guys want to check it out. There is so many things. They have some classic stuff and some new stuff that they came out with for the holidays, but this is just kind of a few select items that they sent me. I'm really pleased with everything they sent. It's definitely stuff that I would also pick out for myself. Definitely the most excited about this cookie dough scrub. Wow, the lip scrub is amazing as well, and the bath bombs they sent over look really fun. So thank you again to Lush for sending this. Still amazed that they sent me PR because that is just crazy. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from Lush recently. I would love to know your favorites because I definitely want to hit the stores and see what else they have and stock up on some new things. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.